Okay, you are. Well, we're close to the water. We can get a little bit more farther away. What's that? Someone ready? Let's go down. And we should go as fast as you know you I mean, you went back down fast. Okay, I'm taking a nap now. You know what? Step on the ride, like this. You are, and you can't get up. No. You can't. It says. Can't trick off. Mommy, can you get it? No. I have no hands. Okay. Oh! It's like a preview of it's coming.
Yeah. So it exactly. So it doesn't show you lanes. It just shows you little parts. So girls,
Sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
it's hard over here.
Sorry.
See what it's about without reading the whole thing. So, Leila, just write the title. Whichever one you want first. So now, it's testing out. Can you read number one signed out first? So you're not going to write it because that's a long one.
Test feature.
Okay, right. All it says, circle each word has a short A sound and right A outward. So we don't do it first. What's on the next one?
What is this?
Present means that are
Wait for me.
Alright. So the first one is a word, and we see an article, or a title in this article. It has a long A, Patrick, where you do nothing. You feel energized? You feel like heading. They're all long. No, I agree.
Heading could be black.
They might be bold, yeah, black, darker. How about if we're fresh on this? So now I'm going to lead some of the next one, bold-faced words.
So other than a title, do we see anything bold? Usually bold words are kind of important. So other than a title, are there any bold-faced words? No, nice job, Leila. There are not any bold-faced words. Information in boxes. So usually if something's in a box in our text, that means pretty important. We're not paying attention to it. Is there any information in boxes? No. This says, okay. Diagrams, graphs, or letters. When you see a diagram, a graph, or a chart. So a diagram is kind of another word for like a chart. Or like a Venn diagram with two circles. So no, let's look at anything like that.
No.
Any maps?
No.
No.
Oh, I know this one.
Yes.